Hi guys. So karon is I'm gonna show you how to extract the coco peat on the coco husk. So what your tools you're needing is scissor, hammer. And first step is to compress the coco husk. In this process, you can see that the coco peat is already being removed. So these are the coco peats that are going to use. First, you need to press. After you decide, in Sri Lanka, there's a machine that could extract this instantly. So this is manual coco peat extraction. So this is just a simple process but very long. It longs to take. Need to break it down to fiber and coco peat. Thank you and subscribe. And here you can already see the coco peat. And you have just to continue the process until it's all broken down into pieces. Okay, so you have 3 fibers. Coco peat. This is the coco peat, and with this fiber you can cut it down I'm just extracting this coco peat to use on my hydroponic system. It's much cheaper. By the way, they also sell per kilo coco peat for 50 pesos, plus you need to pay for the delivery. So this is just extracting the coco peat. Yeah, so for this we're gonna compress then extract. So this is already compressed. You can make a lot of coco peat in one coconut husk. Using coco peat as your medium on your hydroponic system is much more sustainable because it is cheap and a lot of raw materials can be found. So these are already ready for cutting, and after this so a lot, you can see a lot. So there's already the coco peat. So the finished product is something like this. Okay, thank you and see you around the hydroponics. Thanks.